Students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself, I am Tirupati Dharneni, Faculty of Chemistry. In this video, I am going to explain you, in case of ideal solution, how delta S means change in entropy of ideal solution is positive, change in Gibbs energy of ideal solution is negative. So in this video I am going to explain this topic. As you know that what are ideal solutions? Ideal solution means they obey Raoult's law. They are going to obey Raoult's law. Ideal solution is the solution which obeys Raoult's law. Obey Raoult's law. So it means, according to Raoult's law, the total pressure of the solution Pt is equal to P1 naught x1 plus P2 naught x2. If the solution is made up of only two components, so we can apply this mathematical formula for that ideal solution. Now the point is, in case of ideal solution, as you know that ideal solution delta V mix is equal to 0, delta H mix is equal to 0, delta S mix is equal to positive, delta G mix is equal to negative. So in the today's session I am going to explain how this delta S mix is positive and delta G mix is negative. Now let us take one solution, that is ideal solution is made up of two components, solute and solvent. Here let us suppose one solution is made up of two components. First component, number of moles of moles Na. Second component, number of moles Nb. First component volume is equal to Va. Second component volume is equal to Vb. The next thing is, here the mole fraction of first component is Xa. Mole fraction of second component is Xb. Now we have one thermodynamical relation between delta S and volume of the solution. This is the relationship between delta S and volume of solution. Delta S is equal to NR natural logarithm ln into V final by V initial. It is the thermodynamical relation between delta S and volume of the solution and its number of moles. For first component, that is A component, delta SA is equal to, we can write what, NA or natural logarithm V final. Final solution volume is Va plus Vb and initial its volume is Va. Similarly, we can write for second component, second solution, delta Sb is equal to NB or natural logarithm Va plus Vb by Vb we can write. As you know that according to the Avogadro's law, volume and number of moles directly proportional to each other. Volume and number of moles directly proportional to each other. Next, from this what we can write, so we can write, we can convert this equation into like this: delta SA is equal to Na or natural logarithm. In place of volumes I am going to substitute number of moles. Na plus Nb by Na. Similarly, we can write delta Sb is equal to Nb or natural logarithm Na plus Nb by Nb we can write. So here from this we can write the delta S mix is equal to delta Sa plus delta Sb we can write. Now let us substitute the delta Sa value and delta Sb values in the equation. Then delta S mix is equal to Na or natural logarithm Na plus Nb by Na plus Nb or natural logarithm Na plus Nb by Nb we can write. Now in this place, see, actually we know that Xa is equal to Na by Na plus Nb. So directly what we can write, delta S mix is equal to Na or natural logarithm 1 by Xa plus Nb or natural logarithm 1 by Xb we can write. So here natural logarithm 1 by Xa can be written as minus natural logarithm Xa. We can write like this: delta S mix is equal to minus Na or natural logarithm Xa plus minus Nb or natural logarithm Xb we can write ln Xb. So instead of Na plus Nb by Na I wrote Xa. Instead of Na plus Nb by Nb I wrote 1 by Xb. Then we will get this equation, final equation. Now from this delta S mixture means ideal solution is equal to minus number of moles of A component and universal gas constant or natural logarithm ln Xa minus Nb or ln Xb. This is the formula. If this equation is divided with what? Na plus Nb, we will get the change in entropy per mole. So then delta S mixture per mole is equal to minus Na by Na plus Nb or natural logarithm Xa minus Nb by Na plus Nb or natural logarithm ln Xb. Okay, here in this place we can substitute Xa minus Xa universal gas constant log Xa minus Xb or natural logarithm and Xb we can write. So here I am going to tell you one important statement. Natural logarithm of any number means natural logarithm of number whose value is less than 1, so you will get a negative number only. Its value is negative. For example, if we take 0.5, natural logarithm ln of 0.5 is equal to minus 0.69314, like this we will get, minus negative you will get. You know that here in a solution two components are there. In the two components, xa is the first mole fraction of first component, xb is equal to second component. The mole fraction of two components must be equal to 1, but mole fraction of individual one component is less than 1. Here also this is less than 1. xca is less than 1, xb also less than 1. So this is less than 1, this is also less than 1. So then overall you will get a positive negative value here. Negative into negative, minus into minus is going to become positive. Here also natural logarithm of xb you are going to get a negative. Minus into minus is going to become positive. So the overall delta S mixture per mole, what you will get, you know, you will get a positive. This is the proof for the delta S mixture of ideal solution is positive. Next one, I am going to explain you how delta G change in Gibbs energy is. In case of ideal solution, change in Gibbs energy is negative. So ideal solution formation is a spontaneous process. We can prove from a simple equation the formation of ideal solution is the spontaneous process. We can prove from simple equation. Here there is a relation between the Gibbs energy and change in entropy. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. It is from thermodynamics. For ideal solution, delta H mix per mole is equal to delta H mix minus T delta S mix we can write. In case of ideal solution, delta S mix is equal to 0 because there is no liberation of energy, there is no absorption of energy, absorption. So therefore we can tell delta H is equal to delta H mix is equal to 0. Then finally we can write delta H mix is equal to minus T delta S mix we can write. Here just now I told you delta S mix is always positive. It is positive always, I told you. Delta S mix is positive. Then delta S mix is positive. Then overall delta G mix, so you will get what? You will get negative. Negative means it is a spontaneous process. Spontaneous process. At all temperatures, it is the spontaneous process. This is the video. In this video, I explained in a ideal solution how delta S is positive, how delta G is negative. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for